In this video presentation, we'll review the basic job package design based on standards for cover sheet, table of contents, and job package contents. In this example, we're using a planned job package for a scheduled inspection-driven turnaround event. This job package was first created for a scheduled turnaround event in 2017 and used in 2021. In both cases, it was updated during post-execution follow-up and returned to the PJP library. It is now being used for the 2025 event. Basic job package design regarding the cover sheet will contain last print date and a quick response code, QR code, which references the entire contents of the job package for field verification if mobility and Wi-Fi are used. Next to the QR code is the PJP Index number and history and header data. Note: the header contains pragmatic, real data as opposed to the subheader information, which is more subjective. You can see that key data is contained in the header, such as physical asset ID, functional location, owners, system, and so on. This data is generated from the computerized maintenance management system, with revisions as required when the job package is pulled from the library. If your job package is manual, paper-based, the basic design will be the same. Only the method of updating and revising will change. Next, we look at the subheader information. Remember, there is a difference between data and information. Here we have the scope of work, task, and scope of scope. To the right is the prime photo, which has been edited to contain key information such as physical asset ID and location. The third section of the job package cover sheet is the revision section. Although revisions are common, it's imperative that the job package is treated as a controlled document and therefore must have its revisions tracked and approved. This is important for contracting terms and conditions as it can be viewed as a legal document. So again, the revision section is critical. Next, we'll look at the table of contents. This is where we decide what data and information needs to be included to support the planning of the scope of scope and what is not applicable. This section is also critical in terms of controls. When this job package is reviewed for status, quality, and effectiveness, this is the first place an auditor will look. If content is to be included, but is not included, or it's lacking in quality, the package will be labeled as deficient. A deficiency list is tracked as part of the job package completion tracking system, something we'll cover in subsequent course lessons. We've discussed the cover sheet, which contains header data, subheader information, prime photo, and revision table. We discussed the table of contents, which controls the required content and quality. Let's take a quick look now at one of the job package contents, the step-out plan. Here we use an example based on a formal field planning form. Additional contents will be added to this job package based on its table of contents, which we'll review in subsequent course lessons. For now, it's important that you understand basic job package design with cover sheet, table of contents, and job package contents. Be sure to download the PDF video text and study guide below this video in preparation for the course assessment.